Hello. We'll be taking a look at how to enter a 1099K. You can search it right in the top. You just got to type in 1099-K. And yes, it does have to be exactly that way. Otherwise, it's not going to give you the option to jump to form. You can also go down to other common income, form 1099K, and revisit. Did you get a 1099K? We'll go ahead and say yes. Let's say personal item sales. Say you sold some of your stuff on eBay. And let's say we sold $10,000 worth of stuff. And I sold some items at a loss and had no gain, or all items were sold at a loss and had no gain. That's going to be the most common for most people. If you sold something secondhand, odds are you had no gain or you sold it at a loss. And you can see, even though we entered the 10,000, tax due did not change. But if we come back here and we put something else, let's say other, and again, we put in that 10,000, you'll see that it is now taxing us on that full amount. Now, if we come back here again, and let's say you got a 1099K, but not all of it should be taxed, you can put in the non-taxable amount, the amount that shouldn't be included. Let's say it was 9,000, only 1,000 that should have been taxable. Then you can see it brought us right back down to our original numbers, almost. Just $1,000 difference of additional taxable income. And again, look, even though it shows 20,000 here, you can see that that's not actually impacting my tax due. It shows it here, but it's not taxable income. I could completely delete this one, doesn't change my tax bill at all. And this one is only going to change it by that $1,000 of taxable income. And there we go. Recalculated.